Fine. So we were discussing this problem, that is XYZ Company Limited, this question. So we have passed the entry till 3 installments we have done. As you can see, application is done, allotment is done, first and final call amount also entry we have passed. Yes, first 6 entries we have done. Now we are going to pass the 7th entry for this statement. That is, the directors decided to forfeit these shares. The directors decided to forfeit these shares. What is the meaning of that sentence? Directors are, the directors, right? The main, they are like the owners of the company. So they decided to forfeit these shares. Forfeit andre cancel the shares. Why the shares are cancelled? Because you see, on 400 shares, money is not received. So those 400 shares have to be cancelled. So let's pass the entry. The entry will be like this. It is like this: equity share capital account debtor to forfeited shares account. Equity share capital account debtor to forfeited shares account to equity share first and final call account. Yes, being a 400 shares forfeiture on non-payment of first and final call money. Yes, I will repeat it once again, or maybe I will just write and show you all this entry. You write it like this. You can write it along with me. Please write it, students. That is equity share capital account debtor to forfeited, please excuse me for my handwriting, because in this writing pad I'm trying my best, to forfeited shares account, then to first and final call account, to equity share, I guess it is. Did I miss anything? Yeah, equity share. Okay. Yeah, please write. Okay, I think I have missed here one thing. Equity share first and final call account to equity share first and final call account. Like this, you are writing equity share capital account debtor to forfeited shares account to equity share first and final call account, isn't it? Okay. How to write the amount? I'll write and show it here. So this was your LF, small, then amount, debit and credit you are writing. Okay, how to write the amount? It is very simple, students. Many students are getting confused. Okay, do not get confused. See, in a very simple way, I will show you all. The question is what? See, these shares are, directors decided to forfeit these shares. So you have to just concentrate on these shares, 400 shares. Yes. So what I'm writing here, you see? See here, in a pen, you should write this in pen, okay? And you have to write this. You can just write in bracket here, 400 into, then you write for this also, 400 into, even for this you write 400 into. Fine. What did I do? 400 into, 400 into, 400 into. What rate we are writing here? Capital rate is always the first sentence of the question. See here, this thing. This rate is there, no, of rupees 100 each, this 100. Yes. First and final call rate is rupees 20. Fine. Okay. See what I'm doing now here. Capital rate 100. First and final call rate 20. 100 minus 20 is how much? That is, yes, you'll get
80.
Yes, very good. It's 80. Then you can just cover the bracket. Fine. Yes. You multiply and then you put the amount. So when you multiply, you will get here, if I'm not wrong, yes, so much. Then 32, 2, 3. Those are 8. See, let's check whether it is yes. Yes, you put this amount. Please write it. See here, like this. Many students have doubt that what is this? Is it necessary to write? Students, it is not necessary to write this. This I had just written for your understanding. Why it came 50 plus 50 plus that is 50 plus 30, how did it come? I will just explain it to you all. Okay, you don't have to write it, but for your understanding, I will just write it. 50 plus 30, how did it come? 1 second. Yeah, please write the students first. So what did I do? I will tell it once again. Equity share capital account debtor, 2 forfeited shares account, 2 equity share first and final call account. Number of shares cancelled 400 into 400 into 400. Capital rate is 100. First and final call rate is 20. So 100 minus 20 is 80. Yes, this 80, how did it come? It is the application rate and the allotment rate, students. See, I will just tell you all. Is a question? Yeah. It is this actually. Application time, how much did the company receive? 30 rupees. Plus allotment 60, but there is premium. Premium you don't include. So you have to, from 60, you have to minus 10. That will give you 50. So 50 plus 30. Yes, it is what it means. I'll tell the meaning of it. Wait. Okay, if you want, you write this. There's no compulsory. Okay. If you want, you can just mention. That is 50, 30 plus 50. 30 is the application rate money received on 400 shares. 50 is the allotment money received on 400 shares. Yes, am I clear? Please tell me, have you all understood this?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, can you show the previous one?
Yeah, this one. Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. If you have doubts, please ask me. See, this part, no, it is not necessary to write. If you want, you write, no harm. If you don't write also, marks will not be deducted. Okay. Anyone has doubt? Maybe you want me to tell it once again. Should I tell?
Yeah, ma'am.
Yeah, sure. Okay, let me just this. Yeah. So we are passing the entry for this sentence now. The 7th entry will come just because of this sentence. That is, the directors decided to forfeit these shares. Forfeit means the shares are cancelled. Which shares are cancelled? This 400 shares. Why? Because the first and final call money was not received. Fine. Okay. Now you're going to pass the entry like this. I will write and show you all. Yeah. This will be your 7th entry. Okay. So you'll write equity share capital account debtor to, so you have to leave little space, okay, to forfeited shares account to equity share first and final call account. Yes, this first you can write it like this, or FIRST, that spelling also is okay. Fine, this is the entry. Why now? See, this account has to be debited. This we are crediting. Why? The company is receiving the money of the cancelled share on application and allotment. Idu duddu company is sigudu. Company is receiving. That's why this account has been credited. Fine. Now this will be your LF. Excuse me for the line. Then this will be your debit. This will be your credit. Yes. Now amounts see how I'm writing. How many shares are cancelled? Can anybody tell me how many shares are cancelled? Ananya, tell me how many shares are cancelled? So you need to be fast. Yeah, how many shares are cancelled? Someone?
400.
Yes, 400. Yeah. 400 shares. So see here what I'm doing now. You have to write this in pen. Many are writing in pencil. It is wrong. 400 into 400 into. Then even here I'm writing 400 into. Yes, you can open the bracket here. Capital rate is how much? The first sentence of the question. See here. Capital rate is full. That is rupees 100. First and final call rate is rupees 20. Remember that. Yeah, please unmute someone. Someone is going out of hand. Oh. Capital account rate is capital account rate is 100. Yes. First and final call rate is how much we saw now? What is the first and final call rate? Tell me someone. Niharika.
20.
20. Very good. Cover the bracket. So 100 minus 20 is how much?
80.
80. Good. Multiply it. So you will get this 40,000. Then here 8 for the 32. That is 32,000. 4 to the 8,000. Yes. So this is the amount. Here there is one more bracket we are writing. No, that is 30 plus 50. What it means? 30 rupees is the application rate. See the question. 50 is the allotment rate. That is minus the premium. But this you need not write. Okay. If you're finding it confusing, you can skip this step. Skip only this. Okay. This you need to write. Fine. This entry carries 2 marks. Okay. Remaining entry per entry is 1 mark. But for this it is 2 marks. Fine. Anyone has doubt on this? Please tell me. Sherwin, did you understand this? Yeah, unmute and tell me. Am I audible, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Sherwin, did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, Anas, any doubts? Okay. Now the 7th entry is done. Now let's move on to the, it will look like this, okay? This entry. Okay. Bean 400 shares forfeiture on non-payment of first and final call. Bean word you write 400 shares forfeiture. On why? What is the reason? Non-payment of first and final call. Fine? Yes. Now we have to pass the 8th entry. Yes. See here. 8th entry question will go back to the question. For this, reissued at 90 per share, fully paid up. Means what, those 400 shares were cancelled, but now there is one person, like for example, there is a Safan. He is telling, I will purchase those shares. So company will reduce the price and give. See, 100 it is, but the company is giving for 90 rupees. Yes, it is reducing it and giving. So now Safan is coming and giving the money. Company will deposit that money into the bank. The bank will increase. So bank has to be debited. See here. 8th entry, please write it like this. Please write it along with me. Bank account debtor, forfeited shares account debtor, to equity share capital account. This is easy. Bank account debtor, why? Because this money, now Safan is example, okay? Safan is coming and giving the money. Bank is depositing into the, the company is depositing the money into the bank. So bank has to be debited. Forfeited shares account, here it is debited. Why? Anybody can tell? In the 7th entry, forfeited account was credited, but here the forfeited shares account has been debited. Why? Anyone can tell me? I told this. Debit Madidare entry. Why? Anybody think and tell why? Anyone? Karthik, can you tell? Why forfeited shares account has been debited?
Because it is being sold.
Yeah, sold for how much?
Like it is reissued for like 90 rupees per share, right?
Yeah, 90 rupees you're getting the money. See, debited, it is because See, actual rate was 100, but it is reissued for 90 rupees. So it is loss. Yeah, Atmika Nayak, want to tell?
Ma'am, 10% it's a loss.
10 rupees, not percent. 10 rupees, it is a loss. So loss of forfeiture, you're always debiting it. It is loss. Fine, Karthik, did you understand?
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, it
Yes.
is sold, but for less. See, 10 rupees loss. Wait, I will explain it once again. First, you will write the entry, bank account debtor, forfeited shares account, to equity share capital account. Fine. Amount, see how you are writing? Amount, how you are writing? Same, 400 shares. 400 into 400 into 400 into. Capital rate always 100. Bank, it is reissued for 90 rupees. 100 minus 90 is 10. 10 rupees is the loss actually. See, actual rate was 100. It is reissuing for 90 rupees. That is loss. It is like cost of chocolate was 100 rupees. But the shopkeeper it is selling is for 90 rupees. It is loss, not 10 rupees. So loss has been debited. That's why we are debiting this. Okay, good, Atmika. Yeah? Like this, it will come. So been reissue of 400 shares at 90 fully paid. Yes? Anyone has doubt in this? 8th entry? Anyone? I will write and show that entry once again. The entry will come like this. See, students. Bank account debtor, forfeited shares account debtor to equity share capital account. Yes, the entry is correct, right? Yes. How to write the amount? See, students. Entry, did you all understand, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So the amount is 400 into 400 into here 400 into. Bank rate is how much? For how much it is reissued? Lenisha, tell. ಎಷ್ಟಕ್ಕೆ reissue ಆಗಿದೆ? See, please unmute and tell fast. I have to go for the next entry. Yeah, for how much is Safa? Can you tell for how much it is reissued? Anyone, those who know, tell me how much it is reissued.
90
rupees.
90 rupees. Why 90 rupees? Maybe I will show the question. See here. See here. Reissued at 90 per share at the question alli ide. Okay. So 90. Equity share capital is how much? Capital rate is how much?
100.
Very good. 100. 100 minus 90?
10.
10 rupees loss. So you'll multiply and put here. So the 36. Then 4,000. Credit is
40,000.
40,000. Very good. It will look like this. Fine. Is this clear now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am.
Yeah. Ifraz is there. Who is there? Ifraz is not there. Yeah. Pooja, Bharat, did you understand? Artha aita idu?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good. Ramya, Rolvin, Afifa, Hazel, did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Good. Now we will pass the last entry. Last entry, it is very easy, simple. Forfeited shares account debtor to capital reserve. That is, balance has been transferred to capital reserve. Anta. What is this capital reserve? This is capital reserve is what, you know, students? It is like, for example, okay, I'm doing a business. Okay, so from my last year's profit, I will keep some amount separate. Why? Because in the future, if there is any uncertain, like for example, there is like this COVID situation, or maybe, you know, ಕಾಂಪಿಟೇಷನ್ ಇಸ್ ಹೈ, ಅನ್ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟೆಡ್ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಫೈರ್, ಥೆಫ್ಟ್, ಏನಾದ್ರು ರಿಸ್ಕ್ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ರಿಯೂಸ್ ದಾಟ್ ಮನಿ ಅಂತ. It is like what, maybe your parents also, from their salary, little amount they will keep aside. Emergency case iganta. For example, emergency hospital bill, anything, aa duddani use madudu. So, last year's profit in the company will transfer it to the capital reserve anta. Yes, that entry is passed. Forfeited shares account debtor to capital reserve. Yes, forfeited shares account debtor to capital reserve. Capital reserve again, amount will be credited. Yes. Okay, right? B na the balance in forfeited shares account transferred to capital reserve. Write the entry, please, students. Forfeited shares account debtor to capital reserve. Forfeited shares account debtor to capital reserve. B na balance in forfeited shares account transferred to capital reserve. Iga amount hege bantu this? It is very simple. What you have to do, your seventh entry, forfeited shares amount, how much did you get here? Forfeited shares amount, how much? 32,000. Pencil alli just circle madi. And eighth entry alli forfeited shares amount, how much you got? 4,000.
4,000.
Very good. So here in the seventh entry, forfeited shares account alli 32,000 was credited. Okay, credit agittu. But in the eighth entry, 4,000 rupees was debited. So you will minus that both. 32,000 minus 4,000. It is like what, company get 32,000 was credited. Credited and the company had received. It was a profit. But 4,000 was deducted. It was loss in the eighth entry, you see. But still company is having how much rupees now? 28,000 company is having. It is like what, for example, I had 10,000 rupees, okay, from my salary. Say 5,000 is deducted, some expense I took, but still how much I have now? Then account how much? 5,000 I have no. That 5,000 I will keep as a capital reserve for my next month. Any emergency I took, maybe anything emergency, something I took, I will use that money. Similar concept it is. See here, in the seventh entry, forfeited shares account 32,000 was credited. It was a gain for the company. Company gave profit I took. But eighth entry alli forfeited shares accounts here 4,000 was debited. It is loss. But still company is having how much money in hand? Anyone can tell? 32,000, 4,000 minus money.
28,000.
Very good. 28,000. It is still the profit of the company. That's why the company is transferring it to 28,000. This what company will do, next year when they are doing profit, if anything emergency situation comes, like whatever emergency, what all, like last year business studies you have studied risk topic antala. There can be theft, fire, loss, tsunami, flood, so on. Avaga aa duddannu use madbodu. Yes, it is like from my last year's salary, what I have done savings, I will use for this month, emergency case. Okay. Is it clear, students? I hope I have made the things clear.
Yes, ma'am.
Sure. Okay. Anas, did you understand?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Okay. So if there is time, let's review this problem once again. Starting in the problem explain maduda simple agi. Okay. Yeah, we'll yeah. I'll stop the recording.